This is Marley Bogdan at Pompano Beach Marinemax, looking at the 33 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This boat is powered by twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. Moving up onto the boat, we have a large transom live well, along with 2 fish boxes. This boat is also equipped with the optional rear-facing bench seat with the live well underneath it, and of course the big bench seat in the transom here. Boston Whaler has also put a dive door on the side, perfect for getting on and off the boat when diving or bringing in a big fish. Also, we have the joystick control here, making docking a lot easier. The double Raymarine screens, Mercury vessel view, and the Fusion audio system with the JL speakers. Boston Whaler also has a huge sun pad on this boat, great for lounging, and a giant storage locker underneath as well. If you want to know more about this boat, please come see us. This is Marley Bogdan, 407-446-5990.